everyone! We'll make a great team! High fives all around! What's wrong, Lemo? You don't talk much, do you? Not much to talk about. There has to be something that interests you. Do you like video games, sports, or traveling? Nope. Okay. Well, what about your element? Wind. Lalo told us about water. Did you know the weakness of wind? Yep. So what is it? Fire. Well, I guess it makes sense. Grass does catch on fire pretty easily. Thanks for the lengthy conversation, Lemo. Keep up the great work. But would you look at that? Some wind shadow monsters are over there. Remember what Lemo taught us and bring the heat, Mashta.